Squarespace Folders tutorial. So today we're going to learn about how to use folders here in Squarespace. So you can use folders to organize your assets right here in Squarespace. So for example, your images and videos, you can organize them to folders so that you can access them easily when you need to search for them. So for example, to do that, we can just go right here to website and then go to assets. So from here in the assets, you will see all of the images and videos that you have used inside your Squarespace website. So as you can see, it is a bit messy since I don't have any folders right here. So what we can do is that we can add folders to organize all of our assets right here. So for example, I can add a folder, then I'll just name this images. Then I can create more folders by just clicking add folder right here. And for example, I'll name this logos, and then we have another folder right here. And another thing that you can do as well is that you can have subfolders. So for example, we have the logos folder right here, and I want to put it inside of the images folder. So what I can do is that I can click the three dots right here, click move to, and then I can go ahead and choose the folder right here. So what I want to move is this one, the logos folder. So I'll just click move to images right here and then click move here. And then now the logos folder is inside of the images folder. So we have the main folder, which is images, and then you have the subfolder, which is logos. Another way that you can create subfolders is that you can just go to the main folder and then you can click add folder right here. Then for example, I'll just name this stock photos, then click create. Then we now have two folders inside of the images folder. Then to add files inside of the folders, so for example, I'll go right here to the stock photos. Right here, we can go inside of it. So we can either upload files manually, or if we already have files right here in our assets, I can just go ahead and select them right here. And then we can just move them inside of the folder. So I'll just select all of the logos or icons right here. Then we can click this folder icon right here that says move to. Then we're going to put it inside images. Then we're going to move it inside logos. Then we can click move here. And then now all of the logo images is now inside of the logos folder. So like that. So now we have them organized. Then you can just go ahead and do the same thing for all of the other files right here. Like for example, we have this stock photo right here. Then as well as this other stock photos right here. Then we can move it right here inside the folder. So now that they are more organized, then you can just go ahead and do that for all of your files right here. So for example, I have this video files right here. I can create a folder for videos, then click create. Then I can just add it inside of the videos folder. So like that. So this is a very efficient way to organize your assets so that whenever you need to use them, you can just go ahead and see your folders right here so that you will know where your files are located. So instead of just scrolling right here inside of your files library, so that will take up a lot of time since you need to find them one by one, especially if you have like a lot of assets used right here in your assets or in your files. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can use folders right here in Squarespace. I hope you learned how to use them, and thank you for watching.